KP back. He back on the East Coast. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do a little something different. We got on, I almost gonna bust my Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get a little chest. We're gonna get a little legs. Something different in calisthenics, but you know, you can do calisthenics and weights. You can mix it up. You wanna be the best of both worlds. Go ahead and work. He right here. I'm following, see where you working at. He back, KP back with another one. We here again.
What's going on? It's your man's KP, the Specimen. I'm in here. About to get this nasty workout, chest and legs. Let's go.
Y'all want him back? He back on the channel, man. Let's go ahead and get it.
Back. Give me that, all that's mine. And that money's not yours.
You get to balance it.
I'm trying to see if niggas can hit that.
Yep.
I like to chase the burn now. I like going for the burn.
That's what I'm really.
I'm trying to. I feel like it's too light, but that's good though. It's good. We're gonna get the chest
That's what I'm about to say. It's not It's not always about the weight. It's about your form. It's about your tempo.
And I think it is reps too.
And reps.
Because nigga, you doing like 20 reps of 100. You should.
Oh, you gonna feel it.
Take that.
Yeah. It is like, you know,
Straight convergent.
it's a little light, but it's all good.
But you know, niggas can. Niggas be like, he skips legs. He doesn't train his legs. Crazy, you can feel like all the weight inside your legs when you sit down in that pit, and then you just be like, bruh. That's how you build that mass. You don't pause reps.
And they get a 25 on there.
Yeah.
A little bit. A little quick workout. They did legs once this week, little second legs. Trying to get to the point where I'm doing at least 2 a week.
I'm going back to
Get these baby legs up. Get 2.
good.
Oh yeah.
Fucking ball bell hit your bag. You know, I'm gonna redo that shit.
You redo it?
Yeah, we're gonna redo it.
I'll bet.
I'm gonna recover it all.
Let's get it.
That shit was crazy.
Get them thick legs.
All the way down. All the way down, nigga. Like, I feel like you just get more muscle
Oh yeah.
stopping that
It's hard to
piss.
get back up.
Yeah, that get back up is a bitch.
Woo.
Yo,
That don't hurt.
shit feels.
That shit hurt. That's close together.
I fuck with those.
Time A. I'm gonna get out to the West Coast with him soon. See y'all on the next one, man.